it's attorney Sean Quinlan. So I want to talk to you today about your preliminary hearing and what's going to happen at your preliminary hearing. So your preliminary hearing, for example, today I'm in Dauphin County. All prelims are held in front of a district justice. Dauphin County has about a dozen district justices. At your preliminary hearing, the burden is on the Commonwealth, whether that be the cop or the DA or both are going to show up. Have to have sufficient evidence to prove that a crime occurred and that the person before the court is likely the person that committed it. It's a very low burden. They don't have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. Some hearsay is acceptable. Generally, in a case like what I've got today on a DUI, I'm going to ask you a series of questions, long and short of it being, where did this happen? When did this happen? Were there any kids in the car? Was there an accident? Are there any witnesses in addition to the police? When we get inside, we're going to evaluate a lab report, if there is one, and we're going to see if the police officer is available to testify. We're going to see whether or not the officer that appears to testify is the officer that actually has knowledge of your case, whether the person that was involved in the traffic stop, or whether the person that was present when the blood was drawn from your arm. Probably going to ask you that on our initial phone call, and I'm probably going to ask you that right before we go into the hearing. That's your preliminary hearing in a nutshell, at least on a DUI. Naturally, it's going to be a little bit different for assaults, drug cases, things of that nature. It's a different set of questions. That's the basics of your preliminary hearing for a DUI. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you soon.